Hello, my name is Samantha Moreland, and I'm going to discuss the different design principles I used for my infographic representing the number of U.S. disease outbreaks following the revival of the anti-vax movement. An infographic helps display information, data, and knowledge on the internet, emphasizing what a dataset means. To make an infographic successful, there are many different design principles that can be followed, such as the Gestalt principle. This includes similarity, continuation, closure, formatting, and coloring. Infographics are usually thin, long documents, allowing a user to scroll easily through the information. My infographic follows the usual long formatting that allows for up and down scrolling. Using the Gestalt principle, I focused on color, continuation, similarity, and formatting. The formatting allowed for a large title and side explanation and introduction to the data that follows. To create a continuous format, I used data that was able to be placed chronologically along a timeline structure. In this case, I used a needle as the structure. This makes the information easy to compare and understand. Color meaning is important to infographics. I used neutral coloring along with contrasting red so that the information contrasted well with each other and made the chronological formatting make sense. I specifically chose the color red because it has multiple meanings. One is that red stands out and is alarming. Second, red is well known as a medical color. Too many color options would have cluttered the information with too much meaning. I placed a key at the top to explain what the repeated icon means. This is also a form of continuation and similarity. The icon is used similarly to a unit of measurement, so the icon means the same exact thing as you go down. The symbol is well known for its meaning, so I believe I used the correct symbol for the occasion. I purposefully tried not to put too much information in order for the numbers to stand out and be easy to understand. The data does not need much of an explanation because it speaks for itself in comparison to the title. I believe it makes its point well. Thank you for listening.